today.
I should just, with the MVR, you can, we'll just do a little quick little. MVR is not overweight. You can see 7% is the highest weighting. It's basically equal weighted across all the mining companies, whereas, where is he? QRE, which you can get in Host Plus, is basically BHP with, well, BHP and Rio, they're the same. They're like brothers, copper, iron ore. So you got basically 36, 48% BHP and Rio and 10% Woodside, and then it just, the others don't really matter. So I just view QRE as BHP with a bit of Woodside. So if you're with Host Plus, you just keep that into consideration. Okay, so I'd sort of split into three groups. So the first group would be the stocks I'd have as like core holdings. Now gold, you can't, so this is the gold price if you've never seen it before. Well, you can see it's going up. My preference is to buy this GDX, the gold miners, 9181, global gold mining companies. You can see it's about to rip. Now in Australian super, the maximum you can do is 25%. Would I do that? Yes. It's probably, I reckon, going to be the best performing thing. But you don't have to. You can do 15%. But I'd keep it at a high weighting. The next, well, you can't buy this, but this is the iron ore price, and this is the copper price, which is breaking out. So BHP, you can see BHP is just a nice time to be buying him. So I'd be keeping him as a high weighting in the portfolio. And then we've got the oil price, which it looks like this week will confirm it, I think, but I reckon we're at the bottom of the oil price. Natural gas, so it had a good run there, but I think it's going to find some support around here, so it's not a confirmed bottom yet. But the other heavy weighting I'd have in the portfolio is this guy, the King, the retirement stock, paying 7.3% fully franked divvy, and he's, yeah, just, I reckon he is a good buy. So you got three core holdings there that are all big buys. Okay, so the next group is sort of your next level down. So what do I mean by that? So this is uranium. You can't buy that. But you got palladium. So they're uranium miner. They're you can see this week candle down. So that's again perfect buy. This is the aluminium price. You can't buy that. This is the zinc price. So zinc has broken out, coming back test support. But you can buy this guy, South 32. He's aluminium and zinc. And he's just at a support level, about to break out. Linus, they're rare earths. And have had a few issues, but they're somewhere near a bottom. I wouldn't buy them yet. I'd wait for some green, but again, we're not buying up here. We're buying near a bottom. Okay, my girlfriend, who people no. So if you're new, this is the silver price, ETP mag. She's just been on a ripper. Would I still buy it? Yes. It's still going to go higher, but as you can see, it's run pretty hard. But obviously, you don't overweight it. I would, but that's me. Okay, then we've got the lithium. Now you can't buy this, but you can buy Pilbara Minerals. So they've run pretty hard too. So we've been buying them all the way. Will they keep going? Yes, but I wouldn't overweight it now. But it gives you lithium. Then for sort of mining infrastructure, mining services space, this Horizon Holdings, rail freight operator, they're a good buy now. Then for a bit of coal action, New Hope Corporation. So they're nice div too, 8.6%. So that gives you a bit of coal exposure. And then if you want to buy a bank, obviously it's not resource focused, but just trying to cover all bases. If people feel comfortable with a bank, then I'd be buying CBA. Okay, now then the next level down, sort of just top-ups or smaller bites. So one of those would be Sandfire. So they're a pure copper miner. Fortescue, and they're all good buyers right now. Fortescue, so they're pure iron ore. Beach, so it's another oil and gas like Woodside. We could even top up with a bit of Rio, so he's a buy. So all of these, apart from Linus, which isn't confirmed yet, like you can buy them this week. If you're a bit tech inclined, I like this Data technology distributor in Australia. The div's not too bad, 4.5. If you're into tech, you'd know about all these guys. Data 3, that's looks like a good buy. Zippity Doodah, he looks like a good buy now. And Tech, he looks like a good buy now. So yeah, so that's it. So rather than just tick the high growth option, if you want to outperform it, then make your own portfolio. I do daily emails. I do a daily video covering all these ETFs and shares, so you can get more active in your super. I know a number of people have done it and they're pretty happy, pretty chuffed with themselves. I think one guy, he said he was in the Australian super and it was paying him, I don't know, something that was paying him 5% for the year for something, and in his first month he made 5%. So it won't be. We are in a resource bull market. So, and I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to help you grow your wealth. That's why I started the channel. All right. If I know there's some silent subscribers that haven't told me too. So if any of you have done the conversion, let us know how you're going. Otherwise, have a good Christmas, although I will be doing the daily vids this week while the market's open. Any questions, let us know. So